Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today, what is today's date? January 14th, we are filming my December Vegancuts Beauty box. It arrived late yesterday on the 13th, so let's get crack-a-lackin', because even though it's here, I'm still not happy about it. So, here's the card, cute little piggy. This box supports Jim and Friends at Chicagoland Pig Rescue, Chicago, Illinois. So that's sweet. There are 5 items in here. We are missing one that is on the card. We'll get into that, but let's just go in order for now. So we have the Dirty Lamb Chocolate Coconut Lip Rocks, which is a $22 value. And so this is like a lip scrub. With winter weather in full swing, this scrub is exactly what your lips are craving. Sweetly buff, dry chapped lips while softening with ingredients like cocoa powder and coconut oil. Sorry, that's my computer making noises. Massage a fingertip amount onto lips in circular motion. Rinse with a warm water cloth. So that's nice. A nice lip scrub. Not mad about that. I did smell it though, and it didn't give me chocolate coconut, to be honest. It just was kind of a strange smelling. Not off-putting or bad, just not what I was expecting from chocolate coconut, but you know, as long as it serves its function, I'm not mad about it. So it's an interesting product. I don't see that being a $22 value though. I think that is exorbitantly overpriced. Next we have from Mud Masky the Hair Mask Scalp Treatment and Miracle Shampoo. It looks like it's a 3-in-1, I guess. I don't know. It's a $29 value. These scalp treatment products are very, very hot right now, I've noticed. I've gotten samples of like 3 different kinds at this point, so very interesting. $29 value. This unique 3-in-1 product repairs, hydrates, and strengthens hair while moisturizing your scalp and conditioning or controlling dandruff. Hair is left healthy from root to end. Massage onto wet scalp and hair. Leave in for 1 minute, then rinse. Suitable for all hair types. So I'm actually really excited to try this. I have tried the scalp treatment product from Diva Curl, I think is the brand. I got that as a Sephora freebie, and then I haven't tried the Olaplex one. I've gotten that as a Sephora freebie recently too. Actually I have 2 of them from Sephora now because it was the birthday gift I chose. I just recently made a Sephora order. It wasn't super exciting, so I didn't decide to make a video about it. It was just restocking boring things. But yeah, so now I have 2 of those and I'm yet to try it yet. But I have this now too. I'm actually really interested in this. So another good one. We're going to skip product number 3 real quick and go to number 4, and it is the 3 Buds Apothecary Winter Hand Poured Soy Travel Candle, $10. And this smells amazing. It smells like the holidays. It would have been nice to burn this around Christmas. It smells fantastic, so I'm very excited about burning this. Crafted with American-grown soy and lead-free wick, this scent is a sweet, refreshing burst of winter berries, ozone, and juniper. A warm and subtle aroma that complements any room. So it's a $10 value, and it smells really good. Once again, $10 for this teeny tiny little candle, that seems exorbitant. Like, these prices are obnoxious, but okay. Like, I could see this being $29 since it's kind of a specialty product, but these 2 feel a little overpriced. So number 5 product was a bonus free product, and I'm assuming just for the sake of it being the cheapest item in here that it was this, the Acure Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Facial Moisturizer in this weird package that I kind of love and kind of hate, just depending on the moment. I want to say I've seen this before, and it's got some sort of fragrant stuff in it, but I'm not 100% sure. I'm gonna have to read the ingredient list on this, so sorry about that. I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not, but I'm gonna go ahead and say this was the free bonus product. Now getting into product number 3, we were supposed to get the Save Ultra Light Rejuvenating or Anti-Pollution Moisturizer or Mask, which would be a $23 plus value. And I'm assuming it's not in here because they sent me this box half a month late. So they probably ran out of that product. That being said, it was a $23 plus product. What they sent me instead, which I actually already have one, I've got one right here next to my desk, is the Lemon Organics Medical Grade Hand Sanitizer Gel, which on Lemon Organics' own website is an $8 value. So I feel like I'm being gypped out of, I don't know math, $13, $14, $15. $15 at least, since this was a $23 product that should have been here, when this is an $8 value product. That's annoying. Like, that is annoying. They sent me this box half a month late and then couldn't even put a replacement product of equal value into the box. What? And if this was the free product and this was the replacement, that's an even bigger fuck you from them. I'm really pissed off with Vegancuts right now. Like, I'm just super annoyed. So the resolution on the 2 products missing from my snack box is they have sent me something in the mail. It hasn't arrived yet. I think it's supposed to be here in a day or two with a couple extra snacks. So at least that's been handled. But I feel like this is bullshit, kind of. This is absolute bullshit. And I'm probably going to email them back again and be like, what the hell is going on? I've been a subscriber to your product for a very long time. And I feel like the past couple months has been absolute crap. I didn't mean to drop that, but yeah. So that's annoying. Should have been a $23 product for the value of the box, and it was not. So I'm not even going to rate the box. Honestly, Vegancuts this past month is getting like a major thumbs down from me. They're failing in my book right now. So yeah, that's the little update. I'm gonna go make some coffee. I'll talk to y'all later.